Good evening! It's Sunday evening and weekend is almost over again. Tomorrow's Monday and tonight on Learning Tagalog, let's learn some shapes in Tagalog. Shape in Tagalog is hugis. Hugis. A circle is bilog. 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 Triangle is tatsulok. 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 A square is parisukat. 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 Rectangle is parihaba. Parihaba. And oval shape is habilog. 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 Heart shape is hugis-puso. Hugis-puso. Puso is heart. And a star shape, hugis-tala. Hugis-tala. Diamond shape, hugis-diyamante. Diamante. Hugis-diyamante. Cylinder is silindro. Silindro. And cone, kono. Kono. So, let's do a review of our mga hugis in Tagalog for tonight. We have circle or bilog, square, parisukat, triangle, tatsulok, rectangle, parihaba. We have heart shape, hugis-puso, star shape, hugis-tala, and cone is kono, cylinder, silindro, oval shape, oval, habilog, and diamond shape, diamante, hugis-diyamante. And you can find those shapes down below, and I'm also gonna add some other shapes like the hexagon, eksagono, Pentagon, pentagono, and the cube or kubo, trapezoid. Trapezoid is trapesoyd. Trapesoyd. So, that's all for tonight. Good night.